It looks really fabulous. And that is the front out there. And I'm gonna take more videos, but this is my first look. Okay, let me go ahead and check in. So my first meal, the Casablanca. I'm just getting in. I haven't even gone to my room. My concierge is going to take my bags to my room. Since I had a morning flight, I haven't eaten anything, so I had them make the shrimp with vegetables as appetizer for me, and I'm gonna have octopus and scallop as the main dish. I will show you all when it comes, and I think those are the sauces that come with there. And let's see, what is this? I guess those are bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. So
It's spicy.
okay.
The hummus has berries.
Okay, so is this one sweet, the green one?
This is like sour.
Oh, it's sour.
Yes, sour.
What did you call it?
Green tomatillo sauce.
So it's green tomato.
Green tomato.
Yeah.
It's a small green tomato. It's sour.
That is not
usually.
ripe, okay. And then that is
Chickpea.
chickpea, and then that
It's
is
roasted tomato with pepper inside.
okay. That's good. It looks very good. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna enjoy. So this is the life. I'm just getting in, and I'm at the Casablanca restaurant. Okay, don't mind my hair and my hat. So I am having lunch because I just got in from America. And can we take a moment and appreciate the view outside with the water behind me? I actually want to go ahead and get into the water after lunch, but we have a gala tonight, a party tonight that we have to dress up for. So I don't know whether I'll have time to do that because right now is around 1:30. So I'm gonna eat, and then if there is time, I'll go out there, hang out, swim, then take a shower, take a nap, and then get ready for the party later on tonight. Can we take a moment and look at the food? This is the life. Okay. Okay, I mean, this is the life. I'm here for the food and the seafood. This is so good. Let me go ahead and enjoy my meal, and I'll be bringing you all along with me. The food is calling my name, so I'll see you all later. Okay, so this is my meal. I finished the shrimp with the vegetables, appetizers, and so this is the vegetables with octopus and scallop and shrimp. It usually comes with rice, but I don't eat rice, so I told them to have vegetables for me instead of rice. So it looks good. This is the life. I'm enjoying it, so let me dig in. It's amazing. Better believe it. You can taste the seed. And the scallop is so fresh. And look at the langoustine. The big langoustine. And the shrimps. I mean, oh my God, I'm gonna have all the seafood I dream of on this list. So what's this? This is the ginger tea?
Yeah, this is the ginger tea.
Okay. Looks very good. And then you have the honey and lime.
Honey and lime.
Okay, so do you have the dessert menu?
Absolutely, let me bring it.
Okay then. Okay, thank you, sir. So what is this?
Cake, free milk.
treadmill cake.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow, this looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy it. All I'm gonna say is that I am having a blast here. The food is so good. This long weekend I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna eat, especially the seafood. I love it. Hopefully I'll get to swim too and take pictures and vlog. But anyway, let's stream me okay. So you walk into my suite with the ocean view, and I have my Vince Camuto couture jacket that I wear for traveling because the plane is always cold. And then of course the two, I have the carry-on luggage and the huge backpack. So for 3 nights I have all those. And this is the decor of the room. It's a fabulous award. I love the marble flooring. It is so nice, and I love the fact that it'll be easy to clean. And so you walk. I love this. This is so luxurious. This is my kind of style. I mean, just look at that. And you have your own private hammock and private sun tanning place. Look at this hammock. And can we take a moment and look at the view? The glass is scary. I'm a little bit afraid of heights, so I don't want to lean on it. This is the view from the balcony of my room. Look at the ocean. Oh my God, Nana, you outdid yourself. This is fabulous. Okay. This is fabulous. Okay. And then that is my bathtub. I will be by the window. I am gonna make sure and take a vlog of me in the bathtub, and I'm gonna make sure that it is foaming, okay, when I do the video. Oh my God, this is so romantic and beautiful and fabulous. My kind of stuff. I mean, the water, you can lose yourself just staring at the water. This is my kind of vacation. It's well deserved. Okay. And then this other door, you walk to the bathtub. I love this. This is giving me ideas. I should do that. You know, my lake house, put this in the bathroom, and then underneath it, have it, so that it can just drain if it gets wet. That would be amazing. This is just a beautiful idea. I need to save this and take a picture for the bathrooms in my lake property. You can take a shower, and then you can take a bathtub, and it just drains and cleans itself. And then of course that's me wearing, I have my bikini underneath that is tied up, my sparkling hat, and my designer booties, with 4, even though it's hot in Mexico, but they're very comfortable. And it has this soapstone. This is actually the soapstone that I have. I have the soapstone 7-foot obelisk or pillars in front of my guest house. I'll show that to you when I do the reveal of my guest house. So yeah, I love it. It's nice. Okay, and yeah, that is mirror. And this is the closet, I guess, yeah. This is the closet and the safe and the hangers. And then this is the bathroom. I love the robes. This is the toilet. And then this is the bathroom. I love, love, love the soapstone. So it looks like a soapstone. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, because in my main house, I have like solid granite slabs. Yeah, that's an idea, or maybe do soapstone. No, I think for the lake property, I have the granite slabs. So yeah, I'm loving the room. I actually like it better than my room in Canada, and I love the view better. I love these things, panels or paintings or whatever it is that they did to the walls. That is amazing. So my loves, I'm gonna go ahead, kick off my heels. Had a wonderful lunch or brunch today, seafood. And I'm gonna enjoy the bed. Ciao.